Welcome to the Indoor Botanist. If you're new to the world of houseplants or simply looking for a low-maintenance way to add greenery to your home, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring 7 easy houseplants that even the most inexperienced plant parent can keep alive and thriving. Whether you have a busy schedule, limited sunlight, or you're just worried about a plant turning brown under your care, this video has got you covered. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to create your own indoor oasis, one leaf at a time. Now let's jump right in. First up is the snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is practically synonymous with indestructible. It's known for its tall, upright leaves that have stunning variegation, making it a statement piece in any room. Why it's great for beginners: snake plants can tolerate low to bright light conditions, so they'll survive in that darker corner of your living room, and they don't need frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is one of the few ways you can harm this plant. A good rule of thumb is to water only when the soil is completely dry, usually every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your home's humidity. They're also known for their air-purifying qualities, helping remove toxins and improving indoor air quality. All in all, if you're someone who occasionally forgets to water, the snake plant can handle the neglect. Next up is Pothos, one of the most popular trailing houseplants for beginners. It's highly adaptable and comes in various leaf variegations like golden, marble queen, and neon. Why it's easy. Pothos tolerates low light, although it will grow faster in medium to bright, indirect light. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry, roughly once a week in brighter conditions, or every 2 weeks in lower light. But don't stress if you miss a watering. It's quite forgiving. If you'd like a fuller look, you can encourage bushier growth by pruning the vines back. And you can even propagate those cuttings in water to create new plants. No fancy equipment needed. This plant looks wonderful on shelves or hanging baskets where its vines can cascade freely. The spider plant is famous for its arching leaves and little baby spiderets that dangle from the mother plant. These baby offshoots are perfect for propagation, making the spider plant a fun choice if you want to expand your plant collection. Ease of care. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light but can handle lower light conditions. They prefer well-draining soil and moderate watering, typically once a week or when the top half-inch of soil is dry. Watch for browning tips on the leaves. It can be a sign of overwatering or mineral buildup in tap water. If you notice it, use filtered water or let tap water sit overnight to reduce chlorine. Overall, the spider plant is quite tolerant. And those cascading baby plants? You can trim them and pot them up to multiply your indoor jungle without much effort. The ZZ plant has glossy dark green leaves and is known for being extremely low maintenance. It's one of the best options if your home or apartment doesn't get much sunlight, as it can thrive in low light conditions. Care essentials. ZZ plants store water in their rhizomes, making them quite drought tolerant. This means they only need watering once every few weeks. The biggest threat is watering them too often. Check that the soil is completely dry before you water again. This plant's sleek, upright stems bring a modern vibe to any space, whether it's an office corner or a bedroom shelf. If you have a busy schedule, the ZZ plant's resilience will give you peace of mind. No constant plant sitting required. The peace lily is beloved for its elegant white blooms and rich green foliage. While it's slightly more particular about watering than some of our previous picks, it's still beginner-friendly if you pay attention to a few cues. Care tips. Peace lilies enjoy moderate to bright, indirect light, but they'll also tolerate lower light, although blooming might be less frequent. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. You'll know it's time to water when you see a slight droop in the leaves. The peace lily is quite dramatic in signaling its thirst. Once watered, it perks back up within hours. This plant also filters toxins from the air, so it's a lovely addition to bedrooms or living spaces. Just be mindful of overwatering. Too much water can lead to root rot. Stick to a balanced watering schedule and your peace lily will reward you with gorgeous white flowers. If you love a modern, minimalistic vibe, succulents are a must-try. Varieties like Echeverias and jade plants are especially beginner-friendly, thanks to their ability to store water in their fleshy leaves. Key points. Succulents thrive in bright, direct light. Think sunny windowsills. They don't like soggy soil, so a well-draining cactus mix is crucial. Overwatering is the #1 killer. Aim to water only when the soil is bone dry. usually every 2 to 3 weeks depending on your climate. The payoff? Succulents come in endless shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a versatile design element. You can place them in decorative containers or create little succulent gardens for an eye-catching centerpiece. Rounding out our list is the Dracaena family, which includes popular varieties like the corn plant, Dracaena massangiana, and the dragon tree, Dracaena marginata. These plants feature striking foliage and can grow quite tall, making them perfect for adding visual interest to empty corners. Why beginners love it? Dracaenas are tolerant of low to medium light and have moderate watering needs. Similar to many of the plants we've discussed, it's best to let the top inch of soil dry before watering again. Overwatering can lead to leaf discoloration, so always check soil moisture first. They're also known for filtering toxins, helping keep your indoor air clean. With minimal fuss required, Dracaenas make an attractive and reliable addition to any indoor plant collection. There you have it, 7 easy houseplants that are perfect for both beginners and the perpetually busy plant parent. From the snake plant's near indestructibility to the Pothos's trailing beauty, these options offer a little bit of everything: low maintenance, versatility, and a touch of nature for your living space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to The Indoor Botanist for more tips, tutorials, and plant inspiration. Let us know in the comments which plant you're most excited to try, or share your own houseplant success stories. Thanks for watching, and remember, every home deserves a little greenery. Until next time, keep growing and keep glowing.